Yeah. So today is 4th of May and it was kind of a confusing expiry for me. Now, the loss for I did a loss today where most of the traders made a very good profit. So let me explain how it went. So I have the scale connected and this is okay. Let me open Bank Nifty chart. So from 9:20 till around 10:30 or something, it was absolutely flat. All right, like till 12 or 12:30, market was like in a 50 point or a 100 point range. Even till here, the maximum range went till 150 point. That was fine. All right, because after that there was a fall and then again market came back in a 100 point range. This is at 1405. So let me consider till this point, till 1430, market was in 130 point range. This is what my system can actually manage. Okay. Now, what happened after this is, let me just start it from here. Market made a high of, or it made a move of 265 points over my 130 points. Now, as I said that once the market is sideways for first half, okay, when the market is sideways for first half, right, it's like slightly up or something. So what my system does is it considers the next half of the day also as sideways. Okay, so I might have to bring some changes there, but it's okay. I mean, till now it's doing wonderful for other days as well. So in this up move, right, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, I lost all the profits and then I ended up in red. I'll show you the P&L a little while later. Now I'll discuss like in which conditions I would have made money. Okay, so if the market, it would have simply fallen down something like this, I would have made money here. Or if the market would have somewhat taken this route, or of course it's like going sideways, then rising till here and then falling somewhere here or something. So I would have made money in all these cases, or of course in sideways or even like slightly up. But these three candles, these four candles, right, in these 20 minutes from exactly 15 o'clock, I I lost all the money that I had made in the first half. Now this is the chart. Okay, you can see that I started from zero. It never went down below zero. Now I was like for a long time I was hovering around 3000 rupees. It was like touching and going, so kind of thing. Now here from 1330 to 1425 or something, market actually fell. Let me show you in the chart. 1330, yeah, this is the small fall. Okay, now see the sensitivity. Okay, the fall was of how many points? The fall was of only 90 points. All right, now for in 90 points my PNL went from 2000 rupees to 8200 rupees. Okay, so all right, so it was 645 rupees, 8645 at 1431, and then the one-sided fall started to come, and it only ended at 4000 rupees negative. Okay, now yeah, I think that's it for today. Tomorrow is Friday, and there is a weekend after that. So let's hope for a better week next week. So till that time, take care. Bye bye.